Well, we got some snow last night, nothing major. And then it's supposed to turn to freezing rain, which I think is actually starting to happen now as I look at the car. And then it's supposed to go rain this afternoon. Just wonderful. Okay, so the snow switched from snow to freezing rain because it's still cold enough. So that's this crust. See the crust on here? The ice crust on top. And then this afternoon, it's supposed to go to just rain. So, just lovely weather. Well, snow's done. I think the rain is pretty much done. I don't know. It's really foggy, as you can see. And what it's going to do the rest of today, I don't know. It's just that the snow just fell off the roof. Metal roofs with the snow. That's why you put metal roofs in the north. Snow comes flying off. What we're going to do the rest of the day, I don't know. We've been doing stuff with the grandkids, and they've been playing with their games and this, that, and the other stuff. So probably be more of that this afternoon, I imagine. Okay, you got to keep poking it to get the dinosaur again.
You're just making a giant hole.
Maybe it's Santa Claus.
Bored.
It's fine. You got more work to do.
You got more
work
to do. Take it apart more. You gotta get the egg out.
Don't wipe it on your
Don't wipe
undies.
it on yourself, dirty boy.
You need a shower. Oh my goodness.
All right, Elodie's gonna have to do it if Griffin can't keep on.
It spooked me.
I'm glad you're naked.
Ah! Griffin! Right over here I see a dot with red.
Yeah, there's more. See it all in there?
It must be a T-Rex. Must be. I hope it's a T-Rex.
Would add credibility to this if you were wearing this, Griffin.
Oh.
Mining for.
I see some red. That means it's coming.
Keep scraping.
Hey, we need a bigger.
So those are the gems that Elodie got out of her stone.
I love them. And thank you.
Good.
Well, today was one of those rainy, snowy, whatever days. And so we basically sat inside. Didn't go anywhere. It turned to rain. It's all mush out. It's garbage now. The rest of them, Nikki and family, had to go to Derek's family for a Christmas thing. They didn't get to it before Christmas. So that's where they are. And so what we did was, not exactly fun, but it's sort of like a grandparent thing. They played games. We read books. We did this. They did coloring. We played with different toys. And that was about the size of today. Nothing exciting by any stretch of the imagination, but they had a good time, and it's always fun seeing them. I mean, there's two of them, so it's like they're going along great, they're wonderful, and then all of a sudden they're ready to kill each other over God only knows what. But it's interesting. But it's also one of the joys of being a grandparent, that you're not the parent, so you don't have to deal with all of the things that you did when you were the parent. You can say, like tomorrow, okay, we'll be back in a couple days. Oh yeah, don't forget, while we're gone, we get internet when we can get internet, how we can. So if the videos are hit or miss or sporadic or whatever, there's only so much I can do. If, like I'm at our daughters, yeah, I can upload videos. I'm at our sons, I can upload videos. I'm back in Maine, not so much so. So just keep that in mind. And hopefully when we get back to Eleuthera, because I've heard they've had problems too, that will be all fixed, because that was a joy before we left. See you next year. Actually, we'll see you before next year. At least once, I think. Hopefully.